Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to plot a UV visible graph in Origin software step by step. First, open your raw data. You will see two main columns. Column 1 is the wavelength, which is measured in nanometers. Column 2 is the absorbance. Its unit is arbitrary unit. Remember that the UV visible region is from 200 to 800 nanometers. The range of UV visible is 200 to 800. So what you have to do is select both the wavelength and the absorbance column. Copy them and paste them into a new Origin worksheet. Put wavelength in column X and the absorbance in column Y. Make sure your first data point starts at 200 nanometers. Select the data and go to the plot line and plot a line graph. Okay, here you can see the full graph, but there is some extra space which needs to be eliminated. So double click on your x-axis and set the values from 200 to 800. Once done, click apply and then click OK. Now we have a clean UV visible spectrum from 200 to 800 nanometers. Select the graph frame. You will see a box appears around your plot. Go to the toolbar and increase the line width to 2. Now let's label the axis. For the x-axis, this is the wavelength. Set the unit as nanometer. For the y-axis, it is absorbance. In the UV visible, absorbance has no unit, so we call it as arbitrary unit. So label it as absorbance A.U. Select the axis label. Increase the font size to 24 and make it bold. Let's also change its color to orange for a nice contrast. Do the exact same for the y-axis label as well. Now edit the legend or the text box and bring it inside the graph. Name it according to your sample. For example, I am writing sample 1. You can also change the font size. Let's do it 24 and change the color to orange. Format the graph frame as well. Left click it and select the frame. Click properties. Now you will see the frame options. You can increase the frame width. You can also change the frame shape. For the frame shape, try a box or a marble, whatever fits your style. Once done, click apply and then click OK. Style the graph curve. Single click on your graph to select it. Also increase its width and change its color to make it look neat. So let's change the graph curve to blue. Okay. So now let's identify the peaks and label them. For manual peak identification, go to the toolbar and select the annotation icon. Double click directly on the peak you want to label. Once the label appears, you will see both the x and the y-axis values, but for UV visible we only need the x-axis value, which is the wavelength. Select the pointer again to edit the peak values. So double click on the peak value and remove the y-axis value here. You can also rotate the value to 90 degree. Click apply and click OK. Do the exact same for all your peaks. You can also change the font size or color of your peak value. Once done, click apply and then click OK. Adjust the peak values according to your need. So that's all about manual peak identification. Okay, so now I am deleting the peak values to show you how to automatically add the peak values. So let's delete the values. Okay, so for automatic peak analysis method, go to analysis, then go to peaks and baseline, select peak analyzer, open dialog. Now here select find peaks, click next, choose minimum, again click next, click next. Here you can change the threshold percentage for your peak identification. It is by default set to 20. If you want to change the height, uncheck the auto box and edit it to 10. Then find the peaks. You will automatically see the peaks, but here some peaks are not as required, so let's set it to 20 again. Okay, just showing you how 30 will behave. Let's set it to 30. Again find peaks, but here some prominent peaks are missing, so the 21 was better. Okay, so now what if you have too many peaks or some peaks you don't need? So let me show you how to delete and adjust them. Delete the unwanted peaks, go to modify or delete icon. Here you will see some red dots on each detected peak. If you want to delete a peak, just click on the red dot. Just click on the red dot, then click delete. The value will be removed automatically. You can also click and drag the label to move it. The peak value which you don't need, just click and press delete. Here the peaks are very congested and overlapping. So just click a peak value and automatically all the values will be selected. Drag it above your graph so you can easily see your peak points or the red dots. Now select the points you don't need and remove or delete it. Here I am removing the unwanted peaks and just leaving the prominent peaks. Once done, drag back the values and adjust them near the peak points. When you are done, click done. And then click finish. Now let's format it. Click on plot properties and here you can change the symbol of the peak line. You can also change the color. You can select the peak line symbol according to your need, but I am selecting the line one. It looks better. Once done, click OK. Decrease the font size of your labels. Now let's delete the red baseline. Click it and press remove. Edit the legend as well. Okay, I am late. Select the text box. And make a new legend. Edit it according to your need. So that's all for a basic UV graph. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to our channel and comment below what you would like to learn next. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.